Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Seat Leon. So from any screen, you'll see here these buttons at the side. That's for your mobile screen, that's for your ordinary screen. You've got here radio, media, navigation, traffic, images, telephone. We want telephone. Calls, contacts, down number, menu, settings, onto settings. Select mobile phone, Bluetooth user profile, Bluetooth. Bluetooth visibility, name, paired devices, find devices. We want paired devices. And there you go, you see Barry's iPhone 13 Pro and the music symbol, the phone symbol and a bin. We want the bin. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? Yes, I do. Click delete. That's it gone.